Hello guys, I'm Rohan and I am here with a quick fix video for your iPhone home button. Your iPhone is your most loved belonging when you have it, and the home button just might get worse anytime and it will stop working because it's the most used part of your iPhone. So this iPhone personally is an iPhone 4 and is 5 years old. It's been through a lot of wear and tear. So the first way to repair your home button would be you take your wire and you just start pushing it up like this. Not very powerfully because it might damage your dock, but just like this. This method will mostly align your home button and would make it better. If this way doesn't work too good for you, then I'm sure that the other way would. So you go to your clock app, you press and hold your sleep wake button. There. And now you would press your home button for 5 to 10 seconds. Yeah. So now if your iPhone gets repaired, you're a lucky user, and the problem you had faced earlier was due to some software glitch, and I just found this way on the net and I was really happy to use it because it really made my iPhone like heaven, which it wasn't earlier. And yeah, it just works perfectly now. But you might see some problems that it might not really work well from the edges like it would on an iPhone 6 now, but it's really good. Thank you guys, and don't forget to click the like button below.